So we'll just firstly talk about the first aspect about his life. Like I've seen in this TED talk also, that he generally talks about this concept of fear. So generally, when you listen to the word fear, it's like it's the thing which is debilitating, and which stops you from doing something, right? But how Tim Ferriss puts it, like, fear sometimes can be a driving force, or tell you exactly what you should be doing. So can you just expand on this idea and tell what Tim Ferriss actually means when he talks about fear?
Okay, sure. So just for background, Tim Ferriss on his YouTube channel has his first video is a TED talk which he did on fear. He gave a brilliant conversation, a brilliant speech on fear setting. So what he explains about fear is that more than it being a force to drive you, the way he talks about fear is that it is an indication, or it's like a GPS to find out where your insecurities are, what you are afraid of, and what you can do about it so that you can maintain your mental balance. So the entire concept of his concept of fear setting, I'm probably butchering it, but he does it a lot better. But what he says is that first you define all your fears, right? Talk about exactly what you're scared about to the very detail. And this is what that's why he also recommends writing a lot, right? Start with a fear. Like, let's say I am scared of my business failing, for example. Why are you scared of that? What do you call like a business failure? What are you really afraid of? What do you think will happen? What needs to happen in your life for you to feel like a failure? Ask those questions, find out what you're really afraid of. The next step is now make a contingency plan. Now make a plan that if all of this happens, if my I think he calls it your personal hell, right? If your personal hell comes in front of you, this is your darkness, this is your death, like this is the one thing that you're afraid of, that you feel like, why am I living this life? If all of those things happen to you in front of you, now how will you deal with it? So assume your business fails, assume you lose the money, assume it doesn't work out, and now work backwards on how you can like maintain a decent life, if not a very successful life after that. So what you're essentially doing is you're finding the root cause of your insecurities, and you're using your rational mind to get rid of those insecurities. Because this is also what he talks about, right? That fear is a subconscious trigger. It's like the primal brain that's talking, but your rational mind, which is your neocortex, needs to override that fear. That needs to override fear. So what he explains is that try to explain your fear to yourself, and then explain a way out of that fear also. So this is a short summary of what he calls fear setting. So he doesn't talk about goal setting. He's like, goal setting is a whole different topic, but what's more important when you're starting a new thing, be it a YouTube channel, or be it or an entrepreneurship, or like a venture, or anything that you're afraid of, right? Even if you're asking a girl out, fear set yourself. Like, if you're so scared of what will happen if she says no, ask yourself, what will happen if she says no, right? Nothing major. And now you're automatically shielding yourself to what the consequences will be, and you can go ahead with a stable frame of mind, as compared to anxiety all over the place.
Exactly. But what's the flaw in here? Like, what the flaw that I find here is that most of the people don't function mainly with their prefrontal cortex. I mean, the conscious part. Most of them are functioning on the level where the subconscious triggers, they are functioning on the subconscious level. So that's the only thing that I found. So the only way out here is that you have to gain awareness of what you're doing, what your habits are, what your triggers are. That's the only way out, and you can follow the Tim's method. So
don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?